Hello friends, so in this video I'm going to show you how to enable live streaming on mobile device on YouTube. So let's go to our mobile device. In order to enable live streaming on mobile device, you don't need to use YouTube Studio, you don't need to use the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app. What you need to do is go to the Chrome browser. Once you open Chrome browser, so when you go to, what you want to do is search for YouTube. Click the three dots on the top right of your screen on your mobile, and you want to scroll down to where it says desktop site. All right, you can see where it says desktop site, and you want to tick that option. Okay, now the reason we're doing that is because when we go to YouTube, let me just untick it so that you see exactly the difference. Okay, so we're going to go to YouTube. Let me just type in youtube.com. okay, so we're going to go to YouTube. So I want you to see exactly the difference with that setting on and the settings without the setting on. Okay, so let's just go. I mistyped YouTube for some reason. All right, so we're going to go to YouTube, and what will happen is that on Chrome, YouTube will take you to youtube.com for mobile. So there will be an M in the front, so you can see m.youtube.com. So now the reason this is happening is because m.youtube.com is the mobile version of YouTube. Now unfortunately, with this version we won't be able to access YouTube Studio. When we try to access YouTube Studio, we'll be directed to the app on our desktop. Okay, the YouTube Studio, this one for desktop. So what we want to do, we want to use YouTube as if we are on a desktop, okay, not on mobile. Okay, so what you're going to do now, just watch. If I click the three dots, okay, clicking the three dots and scrolling down and clicking desktop site. Okay, let me just click desktop site. Watch what happens to this address. Just pay attention to this address so that you see what happens. You see it is redirected to youtube.com. Now what we are viewing on your mobile device, you'll be viewing YouTube as if you are on desktop. So even with this same tutorial, you can even go live on YouTube without even having 1000 subscribers, because now you'll be using YouTube as if you are on desktop version. So you can even click here to go live. If I click here, you can see I can click the go live. Unfortunately, it will tell me live streaming isn't available. All right, it will tell me live streaming isn't available, but despite of being on mobile, it won't give me that the need of 1000 subscribers on mobile and the likes, because now in YouTube's eyes I'm on a desktop site. All right, because of that setting, that's why I said we need to use Google Chrome. Okay, you can see here. So in order to enable live streaming or fix live streaming isn't available on mobile, just go right ahead and click the enable and you'll be able to do it. Now I like to go to the YouTube Studio settings, okay, so that you are able to see exactly where everything is happening from. So I'll go back to YouTube. Okay, so make sure you open with Chrome, choose always. All right, let me just go back to YouTube so that you see exactly everything that you'll be doing. So now I'm back on YouTube, and you can see I'm doing it as if I'm on a desktop version. I'm doing this from a mobile version, okay, from mobile device. So what you're going to do is click on your profile icon. When you click on your profile icon on your mobile, you are going to go to YouTube Studio. All right, so you can see YouTube Studio. I'm going to click on YouTube Studio, and when you click on YouTube Studio, it will take you to YouTube Studio. And while on YouTube Studio, the next thing you want to do is you want to click, okay, let me just leave it to load. Mobile, depending on how fast your mobile is, it can take faster or slower. So on YouTube Studio, on the left side here, where you're seeing on the left side of your mobile device or YouTube Studio, you want to scroll down to where it shows this settings icon. Okay, settings icons, you want to click on it. Okay, when you click on it, there'll be this pop-up which will appear. So if you're on PS4, usually this pop-up does not appear when you click settings, so you can just do it from mobile, and this will also, when you activate, enable it on your mobile device, it will also enable it on PS4. All right, so on mobile device, and you want to go to channel like that, and you want to click feature eligibility. All right, feature eligibility, and on feature eligibility you can see here that this one, features that require phone verification is grayed out, and when you click on it you see that live streaming is part of the features that require verification, phone verification. So you just have to click on verify phone number. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to get my phone number to verify this. Okay, so of course make sure again you choose open with Chrome always. I don't know why it's even asking me, it continues to repeat this, but just choose Chrome. Okay, and when you choose Chrome, you are going to, it will take you to where you need to enter your mobile number. All right, so just a moment. All right, so there you have it. Now here on mobile number, you need to enter a mobile number that you have access to. All right, so since in my other video I used text verification, in this video I want to use call verification, whereby I can get a call. Okay, you can choose text. Okay, let me just use text because I prefer text than call. All right, so you can choose text, then you just need to choose the country. Now for the country, it doesn't matter where you are, you just choose the country or the phone number where you are currently based. If let's say you're in the United States, make sure you choose the United States and enter the phone number that you have access to. If you don't have a mobile device, let's say you don't have a phone, but your mom has a phone, you can use even your mother's phone, you can use your friend's, your brother's phone, your sister's phone, or whoever is nearby, because this is just for verification purposes. So in this case, let's say I'm going to choose my country, Zambia, where I am, and currently, of course, let's say the mobile device I have access to, then I'm going to enter my phone number here. All right, once you enter the phone number, I'm going to click on get code. So what will happen when I click get code, YouTube will send a text to that phone number that I've entered, and I need to enter the code that I'll receive to my phone number. All right, so let me just go to my phone and get the text. I've received the text, and once I receive that text, I need to enter it into the YouTube app. So I'm going to enter, that's the code I received, and click submit. All right, so now once you click submit, it will take up around 24 hours to activate for some people, but for some people it's instant. So let me just go back to YouTube and try to live stream. Okay, so if I go back to YouTube and let's say I try to, so since my phone is verified, those features are enabled, I can live stream. Okay, I can go live. So you can see it has even redirected me to the mobile version. Of course, doesn't matter, even if I'm redirected to the mobile version, just go back and click the desktop site again. Click desktop site again. All right, so when you click the desktop site again, then you can be able to enable, it was already enabled, you can be able to go live on YouTube. All right, so just click that and click the go live, and you'll be able to go live. You see that error will not be there anymore. Thank you very much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.